Hey guys, this is iPhone 7 here. Oh my god, I'm so shaky. As you can see, Wi-Fi is off, but Bluetooth is on. And I was told that voice memos is not working too, but gotta download it. And my SIM's not in there to get the cellular data. So let's go ahead and check it out, see what's going on inside here. Alright, just put it back in here. As you guys can see, that board was worked on before heavily, so let's see how it goes. Hey guys, we got lucky. As you can see, we're connected to Wi-Fi. We're downloading the voice memo app now. Wi-Fi. So far we're looking alright here. It looks like we maybe got lucky. This board was heavily worked on, so let's go ahead and see. Check, check, 1, 2, check, check, 1, 2. Check, check, 1, 2, check, check, 1, 2. There it is, folks. Another job. Well done. Check, check, 1, 2, check, check, 1, 2. Okay, let's put it back together.